那师傅不用动吧？
Hello everyone, this is Lexi. Welcome to our live show today. I believe there are many old customers in this live show, but also some new friends. So before we introducing our new model, I'd like to give you a brief introduction about our company. So our company, JVIC Laser, is a professional laser equipment manufacturer with 18 years history. We're based in Jinan City, the north of China. All our products have the European CE and the American FDA certificates. We exported thousands of machines to over 118 countries and areas every year. In the past 3 years, our exports to the US have ranked first in the laser industry. Okay, now back to our live show today. We'd like to release our new model LCW series, which is laser cleaning welding machine. So LCW series is a handheld continuously machine in combination of cleaning, welding, and cutting. Now let's figure out about the laser first. Many of you may have already heard about laser before, and some of you may already have one laser machine. So what is laser? What can laser do? As we can see in this slide, laser can do the cleaning, cutting, welding, also engraving and marking, and so on. And in the real work, some of you may find sometimes we may need to cut and weld and clean at the meantime, but the cost to buy 3-type machines is very high. And for operators, it will take a long time for them to get familiar with each new machine. So we are wondering if it is possible to have one machine, but in combination of the 3 functions, cleaning, welding, and cutting together. And now we are glad to say we did it. So you can see now we released the LCW series, which can do the cutting, welding, and cleaning together, which can satisfy your 3 needs at the same time. Okay, now you can see this machine here. This is the real model, and also there is a photo in this slide. LCW series, as the newest model we have, it has a high intelligence level and low labor dependence and using cost, also the maintenance cost. Okay, now please allow me to introduce the 3 functions for you first. So the first function is cutting. As we can see in these photos in this slide, it can cut some small size plates with high speed. It is more safe and easy to operate. Also can saving the using costs for the company. Then move to the second function, which is welding. For welding, laser welding is a perfect substitute for arc welding. The weld seam is more smooth and more beautiful. Also, it's no need for secondary processing. The last one function is cleaning. Comparing to the traditional cleaning method, laser method is a non-contact cleaning way, which means it has little damage to the metal surface. Also, so it is more suitable for use in high-value companies. And the pollution to the environment is much less. So I'd like to give you 4 important advantages of this new model. Firstly, we can see this machine here. It is not quite a big one. It's similar to the one single machine we had before. The weight of this machine is only 300 kilograms, and also the volume is similar to just one single welding machine or one single cleaning machine. Then this is the laser gun. The weight of the laser gun only 0.7 kilogram. Even if the operator needs to take a long time work, it can save their energy. And also we design dual protective windows which can protect the focusing lens from the dust contamination. The third advantage I want to mention is about the changing between the 3 functions. Some of you may concern about is it take a long time to change between the 3 functions, or is it complicated for beginners or experienced operators? Nope. Actually, our technician will show you later, only 15 seconds is enough to change from welding to cleaning or welding to cutting. And the last advantage is about the intelligent operating system. As we all know, different laser machines may use a different controlling system. So how could the one machine realize 3 functions but using the one controlling system? In order to solve this problem, we adopt this new intelligent operating system with a touch screen. You can see in this slide, it's quite easy to just click and set the settings you need. Also, we have a parameters library in this controlling system, which means when you set settings and you are satisfied with it, so you can just save it in the parameter library, and when you want to use it again, just record it from the library. Very easy to operate. And here is the technical parameters of LCW series. So for this machine, we provide 3 optional power, which are 1,000 watt, 1,500 watt, and 2,000 watt. And also for each machine, we will provide you a cooling chiller and also a well feeder for free. This machine can work in the temperature from 15 to 13.5, and the welding thickness range from 0.5 to 3 mm. And for the language, we support Chinese traditional, English, Korean, Russian, and Spanish. So from the introduction before, you can see it is a better and more efficient model. Now let's compare it with the traditional welding or cleaning equipment to see what is the differences. So first, comparing with the traditional welding machine. As we all know, the argon arc welding is widely used in the industrial production. So comparing to it, the laser welding can provide you more smooth and beautiful welding seam. Also, the speed is 2 to 10 times faster than the traditional way, which means you can save more labor, you can save more time, all your business will be more efficient. And the next is comparing to traditional metal cleaning. As we all know, in the traditional industrial cleaning, we may use the chemical reagents to clean the surface, but as the reagents will be damaged to the surface. So for some high-value metals, laser cleaning can solve this problem as it's a non-contact cleaning way. So the cleaning effect is better, safer, and easy to control and operate, also with much less pollution. So some of you may wondering, so how much will be this machine? It can do 3 functions in one. It must be very expensive. Actually, the official price we release is $9,099. But today in our live show, for the audience in this live show, we will provide you a discounted price, which is $7,499, but only 3 sites available. So please stay here for more 10 minutes. Our technician and my colleague Michael will show you how to operate this machine and show you the demonstration on different metals. Let's welcome Michael and our technician.
Hello everyone, this is Michael. Thank you for joining our live. Show. Today we want to show what we want to show to you is our new Star Products LCW series. It's also the first letters of its full name, laser cleaning, cutting, and welding machine. Obviously, it can achieve 3 different functions: laser welding, laser cutting, laser cleaning. And it can be widely used in the industry, like kitchen equipment, advertising industry, manufacturing, cabinet manufacturing, laser metal processing service, and etc. But now, let's start from the introduction of all its components. Okay, the core components includes 3 parts. The first is the laser source. What we choose is a top 1 Chinese brand, Rakers. It has a very high power density, and the wavelength can be 1064 nanometers. It's the place to generate the laser. And the power range can be from 1 kilowatt to 2 kilowatt. And we also provide other options like IPG brand, like Rotse brand. And the next is the laser gun. Okay, it's almost the same with the laser welding gun. It is used to focus the lens to achieve different function. And it adapts the modular design, which is very easy to disassemble and assemble its parts to achieve different function. And the next is our control system. What we choose is Auto 3 Tech brand. It is widely used in all kinds of laser, small laser machine industry. And it supports different models to achieve those 3 functions. Laser welding, laser cutting, and laser cleaning. It adapts a touch screen which we can set the parameters very conveniently. And except those three core parts, there's also auxiliary parts like wear feeder. Apparently, it can improve the wielding thickness and the wielding effect. And there's also water chiller. It can help to control, to cool down the water chiller, the temperature of laser source and the laser gun. And the next part is the gas. When we use the function of laser wielding and laser cutting, you need to adapt some gas like argon, nitrogen, or compressed air. All of them can be used for those functions. And now, can you please, can we ask our technician to do the demonstration? 哥先看 ，OK， Okay, just press the button of emergency stop to start this system. Okay, this is to setting the parameters, and the language includes Chinese, English, Korean, Russian, and Spanish. And we also provide the parameters package, so it's very easy to control set the parameters. 先焊。Okay, let's start from the wielding function. Okay, here we prepared different material like stainless steel, mild steel, and the thickness range can be from 1 millimeters to 3 millimeters. Our technician is preparing for the first welding. Okay, this is around 3 millimeters mild steel. Let's do it. 没事没事。
你稍微离远一点。
哦。You can see the wielding speed is very fast. It's almost 2 to 10 times faster than the traditional wielding, like MIG wielding and TIG wielding. Let's take a close at its wielding effect. It's almost perfect. Okay. There's not necessary to do the secondary processing. Okay, can you? This is mild steel. What about the stainless steel? 不锈钢的，对，对 ，OK. This is the wear feeder to improve the wielding effect. So, if you use the laser wielding, the weld is almost perfect. You can use it directly. So, for laser wielding, it has the features below. It has high precision for high precision and low heat input for minimal distortion. And 可以换一下那个切割吗 Okay, next is for cutting function.
切割吗？
对。So when use the cutting function, it's not necessary to use the wear feeder. So we remove it. Okay, let's see the difference of the nozzle. For welding nozzle, it's very wide, but for the cutting nozzle is in a small size to improve the pressure, the gas pressure to achieve the cutting function. Let's do it. Oh, hold on. We also need to increase the gas pressure. Normally for welding it's around 0.5 MPa. Now it should be upgraded to around 5 MPa. And the touch screen is very easy to operate. The material is around 1 millimeters aluminum. There's almost no rust, no roller in the cutting surface. And the next is the cleaning function. 对，清洗一下。So except the head part, we also need to change the focus length. This is changing the focus length. Okay, the whole processing takes only around 2 minutes. If we, even we are a beginner, we can also do it after a simple training. So you don't need to worry the gap to use it. Okay, 在上面。
可以离远一点。
So the whole processing is non-damaging touch. You don't need, there's no any further waste like chemical solvents. So the laser cleaning make it environmental preferred and lowest cost solution. So except the rust, we can also use it to clean the paint, clean the coating. So you can see all the three different functions. If I am a technician, I like it because I when using it, I can complete my work in a few hours, and normally it takes around more than 1 day. If I am a boss, I want investment because we can complete more projects in the same time, or we can also win more projects. And furthermore, I just buy one machine, but it can achieve 3 different functions. Obviously, it's a high return on investment. That's all.
Okay, thank you for Michael's sharing and our technician demonstration. So I know some customers may worried about the after sales service as it is important from overseas. So could Michael explain the after sales service for our customers?
Of course, the warranty is around 2 years, and we also provide 24 hours online service. According to the feedback from our old customers, there's almost no any extra problems during their using. We also provide some. Of course, you need to change the spare parts like the nozzle, like the protective lens. But if you place order during our live show, we will send the spare parts free of charge.
That'd be great. It's really impressive machine. So as I mentioned before, in this live show, if you place the order, the price we can provide is $7,499 each side. Only 3 machines available. So if you are interested about this machine, please feel free to leave your contact information in our live show, or you can contact the salesperson you know. Don't hesitate to place an order. If there anything we didn't explain clearly, or if you want to see more demonstration on different materials, please feel free to leave a comment also.
没有问题吗？有问题吗？
有吗？
没有问题。
Okay, thank you for your watching today. If you want to know more about our LCW series or other machine, feel free to contact us on Facebook or Alibaba or our official website, JVIC Laser. Thank you all.
See you. 太快了吧？多长时间？不知道，我也不知道。
我讲完的时候13。
我不知道我讲完多少时间。